Standard 6 Subject History Religious Trends in Ancient India Part 2 Jainism. Tell me, whose image is being shown on the TV? Absolutely correct. This is the image of Vardhaman Mahavir. As per Jain tradition, there have been 24 Tirthankars in all. Vardhaman Mahavir was the 24th Tirthankar. In Jainism, the one who reveals the knowledge about religion is known as Tirthankar. Jain Dharma is one of the religions that existed in ancient India. The most basic and important principle of Jainism is non-violence. Let us learn about the life of Vardhaman Mahavir and his teachings. Vardhaman Mahavir, 599 BCE to 527 BCE. During ancient times, there was a Mahajan Padas called Vrijji, which was in the state of Bihar of present day. Vaishali was the capital of Vrijji. Vardhaman Mahavir was born in Kundagram in Vaishali. His mother's name was Trishala and father's name was Siddharth. Vardhaman Mahavir left his home and all comforts to acquire knowledge. Mahavir attained enlightenment after rigorous tapa of 12.5 years. The knowledge that he acquired was Keval, which was in a pure form. So Vardhaman Mahavir was also referred as Kevali. To conquer the desire means not getting affected by the joy derived from the pleasurable things or by the sufferings caused by the undesired things. Mahavir had conquered all bodily desires, therefore he was called as Jina or the conqueror. Later the word Jain was derived from the word Jina. He conquered all the desires and hence was called as Mahavir. After attaining enlightenment, Mahavir preached for about 30 years with the aim that common people should understand the religion. He used to preach in the people's language, Ardha Magadhi, so that his thoughts can be easily understood by the people. The religion that he expanded emphasized on the good conduct of man. In order to follow the good conduct, the essence of teachings of Mahavir is contained in the Pancha Mahavratas or the 5 great vows and the Tri Ratna or the 3 jewels. The assembly held by the Tirthankars to preach the common people was known as Samavasaran in Ardha Magadhi. The principle of equality was observed in Samavasara. People of all the Varnas had entry to such meetings. The Pancha Mahavratas or the 5 great vows. The Pancha Mahavratas or the 5 great vows are the rules Mahavir gave to his followers. The first rule is Ahimsa, means non-violence. As per this rule, one should not behave in such a way that would harm or injure any living being. Also, no one should behave in a way which will result in a violence. The second rule is Satya or the truth. According to this, it was expected that every action and speech of a man should be truthful. The third rule was Asteya or not stealing. Steya means theft or stealing. Theft means taking things that belongs to someone else without their permission. Asteya means not to steal. Fourth rule was aparigraha. It is a human tendency to accumulate wealth due to greed. Aparigraha means not to accumulate wealth. The fifth rule was brahmacharya or chastity. As per this rule, renouncing things that are pleasurable to our bodies and following the vows means brahmacharya. Similar to these 5 vows, 3 ratnas are principles that are stated in Jainism. 3 Ratnas, the 3 jewels. The 3 jewels or 3 Ratnas are the principles Samyak Darshan or right faith, Samyak Jnana or right knowledge, and Samyak Charitra or the right conduct. The word Samyak means balance. Samyak Darshan is to understand the truth in the preachings of Tirthankars and keep faith in it. Samyak Jnana means to regularly studying the preaching and philosophy of Tirthankars and to understand the in-depth meaning of it. Samyak Charitra means to follow the Panchamahavratas or five great vows. Essence of his teachings. Of many advices given by Vardhaman Mahavir, one is the theory called Aneka Antavad. This theory is important for the search of truth and for acquiring the knowledge of truth. Thank you.